Hi all, today I will teach you how to earn 10% profit on Sell Ethereum. In this scheme, we will use Binance and Mark's Eggs exchange, and trust me, the scheme really works. As you can see, the price of Ethereum on this platform is 10% higher than on Binance, which means that we just need to buy Ethereum on Binance and sell it here. I have already bought Ethereum on Binance, and therefore I am transferring to the deposit of my ETH wallet on this exchange. After we went to the deposit, select Ethereum and click Show Address. The address you need to copy will be displayed here, then go to Binance. To start, I will deposit 4 Ethereum, but you can deposit with any. At the time of recording the video, it's over $6,500. So, the money was credited to my wallet, you can see it here. Now we just have to switch to spot trading and sell Ethereum. Scroll down, select the entire amount for sale and click on Sell. Great, now you see $9,000 on your balance. Let's bring them back to Binance. To do this, go to Withdraw, select Tether USDT, select the desired network, in my case it is TRC20. Then go to Binance and copy your address. Paste the address here, enter the entire amount, and click on Withdraw. As you can see, in just one lap we made over $700. You can repeat this several times. I decided not to stop there and replenish my balance by another 10 ETH. That's pretty much all I have. Let's do the same. So I made over $2,000 while I was showing you this video. I wish you all good luck. Bye.